Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I do apologize for being quiet over the past few days. I've been traveling up and down for business. Maybe I'll share more on that in a future video. But I do hope that whilst I was away, you guys were making lots and lots of money with your trading. In today's video, we are actually going to look at the top 10 biggest players in the Forex market. We are going to identify the top 10 biggest players in the foreign exchange market. You always hear people talking about big banks, you always hear people talk about hedge funds, about sovereign wealth funds, about governments, about basically the list goes on and on. But in this video, we are going to identify the top 10 biggest players in the forex market, the guys that are actually going out to the world's best universities and colleges and hiring some of the world's brightest minds in computer science, mathematics, finance, banking, and getting them to work for them and making them lots and lots of money. So each time that you sit at your desk or you are looking at your phone and you're placing buy or sell, you are basically competing against these big players or the traders that are employed by these big players. Or in some instances, you are actually trading against them. So let's look into that in this video. By the way, if you are new on this channel, please consider subscribing so that you do not miss future videos. Like this video. If you don't learn one or two things in this video, at least I would have entertained you for a few minutes. So the least that you can do for me is to just like the video. If you are looking to download free Forex robots, indicators, books, and stuff like that you need for your trading, there are links in the description box below. Visit those links and see if you cannot find what you are looking for. Everything that we do on this channel is for free, so everything that you are going to download there is for free. Many people also ask me about the broker that I use. Their link is in the description box below. Just go ahead and sign up with them. For $5, you can open a real trading account and you can start trading real market conditions, testing your strategies, your robots, and everything without putting too much on the line. Okay, so let's get back to our video. We know that according to estimates, about 6.6 trillion US dollars is moved in the markets each and every trading day. So who are the people that are actually moving this 6.6 trillion US dollars every day? The guys that were competing against, or probably the guys that were trading against, the guys that were competing when we place a buy or a sell. Who are these guys? We are going to identify them in this video. Okay, so we are going to base our data for this video on information that has been released by Euromoney. It's a globally recognized authority when it comes to banking and financial services industries. So globally, Euromoney magazine is a reputed authority when it comes to the banking industry and the financial services industry. So they usually have surveys that they conduct on a yearly basis to look at the banking industry as well as the financial services industry. So we are going to base this video on their report, the most recent report, which is the 43rd financial services industry survey, which was based on data from 2021. So it's based on data from 2021. That's their most recent survey. Okay, so who are the top 10 biggest players in the forex market? Number 10, we've got HSBC. It's a UK-based global banking and financial services player. They're basically also involved in various other industries, but they are a big bank based in the United Kingdom. According to Euromoney, about 3.49% of the volume that was moved in the financial foreign exchange markets, the volume that was moved in the forex markets in 2021 was moved by HSBC. Number 9, State Street. They are based in the United States and are reputed to be the second longest running or the second oldest bank in the United States. According to Euromoney, they moved 4.54% of the volume that was seen in the forex markets in 2021. Another big player involved in banking and financial services operating out of the United States. Number 8, Bank of America. Another global financial services and banking player. In 2021, according to Euromoney, of the volume that was seen in the forex markets, about 4.69% of that volume was moved by Bank of America, another big player in the forex market. Number 7, Goldman Sachs. If you've been reading news about finances, about financial markets, you have probably come across the name Goldman Sachs. It's also based in the United States. According to Euromoney, in 2021, they moved 5.20% of the global volume that was seen in the forex markets in 2021. A big chunk of the forex market for Goldman Sachs. 6, that's Jump Trading. According to Euromoney, Jump Trading moved nearly 6% of the volume that was seen in the forex markets globally in 2021. They are also based in the United States, but they've got various operations in some of the world's major financial hubs. For example, Hong Kong, Paris, Sydney, Bristol, Tel Aviv, New York, Singapore, London, Chicago, Shanghai. You get the picture. And what's interesting about them is they rely on high frequency trading. That's why you can read here. What's peculiar about them is they rely mostly on algorithms and high frequency trading to move these volumes in the forex markets, creating a high volume and liquidity in the markets. According to Euromoney, that's 5.91% of the volume that you saw in the forex markets was generated by Jump Trading. Coming in at number 5, another US-based player, Citi Group. They are basically also involved in banking and financial services. According to Euromoney, about 6.18% of the volume that was seen in the forex markets in 2021 was actually generated by Citi Group. They are a global bank and global financial services player. Coming in at number 4, about 6.69% of the volume that was generated in the forex markets, for foreign exchange markets in 2021, XTX Markets was actually responsible for that volume. And you also know that, you also observe that similar to Jump Trading, they also rely on algorithms. And high frequency trading for generating that volume. And they are involved in equities, forex, fixed income, and commodity markets. Unfortunately, they don't offer their services to retail traders. Basically, they are offering their services to what? To institutional clients. They only deal with institutional clients. That's why they are able to what? To generate these volumes. Nearly 6.69% of the volume that you saw in the forex, not financial, in the forex markets in 2021. Top three now. So coming in at number 3, the Deutsche Bank is based in Germany, in Frankfurt, Germany. Deutsche Bank was actually responsible for 8.49% of the volume that was seen in the forex markets in 2021. It's a major bank out of Germany, also involved in various markets, various industries, and in various locations. Number 2 was actually UBS. It's another financial big player. It's a global bank and a financial services player. Basically, they've got various interests in various industries, and they operate out of various locations across the globe. So when it comes to moving volume in the forex exchange markets, UBS, they're based in Switzerland. They were actually responsible for about 10.02% of the volume that was seen last year, 2021, in the foreign exchange market. And coming in at number 1 is JPMorgan, the biggest bank in the United States. So when you are looking at the volume that was moved in the forex markets in 2021, JPMorgan actually had a hand in moving 11.41% of that volume in the forex market. It's another big player, another familiar name in the financial markets, financial services markets in the United States and globally. So these are the biggest players in the financial services and banking industries. And again, just because of their positions in these sectors, they are also responsible for moving much of the volume that we see in the forex markets. Combined, these top 10 players in 2021 were responsible for nearly 67% of the volume that was seen in the forex industry, in the forex exchange markets. The volume that you saw, 67%, was because of these 10 players. A big chunk of the industry belongs to them. So these are the guys that you are trading against, or that you are competing against when you are trading the forex industry, the forex markets. I hope this video you learned one or two things. Otherwise, like this video, subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. Until next time, guys, bye.